Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today we're going through another basics to the iPhone 13. We're going to be showing you how to turn on and turn off the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. As always, there's a link in the description to the full playlist of tips, tricks, and tutorial videos for the new iPhone 13s. So if you're interested in learning more, check it out. Let's get started. All right, now the process of powering down and powering up the iPhone 13 is pretty much the same as it was in the past with previous generation iPhones. You're basically going to locate the side button on the right side and then the volume up rocker here on the left side, and you're just going to press them both together at the same time. And you'll notice that it says slide to power off. All we have to do is slide to power it down. It's going to take a few seconds to power itself down completely. You'll see a little dial there as well. And then once it's powered down, you are good to go. If you want to power it back up, it's as simple as just pressing and holding on the side button alone. You'll notice the Apple logo appears, and depending on the iPhone you're using, it may take longer or shorter to power back up. Give it a second for your networks to come back, whether it's your LTE, 5G, or your Wi-Fi. It may take about 30 seconds depending on your phone as well, and then your phone is now on. So that's how you power on and power off your iPhone 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great iPhone videos. There's a playlist in the description so you can watch tons of tips, tricks, and tutorials for your new iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, or 13 Mini. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.